Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. We are a family of card collectors and we were looking for storage solutions to keep our most valuable cards safe and secure. We found this fantastic graded card coin case from Card Titan. What I really like about this case is it has a hard shell exterior. So if you drop this, everything stays damage free. There's also a foam insert. It's got 56 individual slots, but then it's also got these slits in the middle. So for us, because we collect cards, these slots will still fit the wide length of cards, but you can fit coins in here as well. The foam also really keeps everything from shifting. So even if it's dropped or shaken, nothing is gonna go anywhere. The cherry on top is that you've got this TSA lock that you can insert the zippers into. So if you're traveling or at a trade show, you can be assured that nobody's gonna be able to access your valuable collectibles. It's got this nice handle that makes it easy to tote around. We love it. The quality is fantastic. You can be assured that whatever you store in here, it is going to stay safe and secure. And that's my point of view.